I have bone marrow edema in my knee, where if I sit for a while, I am in extreme pain for a short while when I stand and have difficulty walking for about 30 seconds. Are there any oils that would help?
I mean, right off the bat, I would go to boy, how bizarre is that? We were going to do a thing today on the bone marrow. Like that's bizarre that this is being asked. Um, but for edema on the knee, I mean, the way that I would try to approach this is um, things that are anti-inflammatory, but the one that's a real that shines well for something like this, for like knees and back, hips, things like this, is German chamomile. And you can mix it in with other things, but the thing is it helps to reduce the inflammation. Um, it does have an impact on the bone marrow, like the production of blood cells, but also it helps to disperse fluid better than anything else. Like, so when there's a lot of edema or inflammation on an area, not just fluid retention, like in the legs, but like when you have a spot where there's a lot of swelling, German chamomile helps to reduce the swelling and then disperse the inflammation so that the body can absorb it. Um, Anytime you have something like this, you also want to look at improving lymphatic function in the area. Um, uh, Things like bay laurel or lymphatic blend in and around those areas. It could be rotated, but you would want to also go a little bit lower than the knee and a little bit higher up the thigh. But anytime you have edema or swelling or a joint that's compromised, there's always going to be like compromised lymphatic function in the area, which then keeps making that situation worse. Um, the chakra root cleanser is also a deep lymphatic stimulant. And so instead of like the lymphatic blend, I'd probably go chakra root cleanser with that. Like rotate chakra root cleanser and the German chamomile and see how that treats you. And also, you can do the deep breathing with the oils, but even from time to time, even without the oils, just to take some long, slow, deep breaths, just to try to help the lymph move. Be sure you're drinking plenty of water, things like that. And all of that should help move that. But yeah.
Last one.